Here we have the metal template and bracket for the subframe. The metal template attached to the bracket. Here's how that assembly looks on the vehicle. A plasma cutter would have been the best tool to use for this job, but I'm using what I have available to me, which is my 3-inch handsaw and a Sawzall. I had to do quite a bit of grinding to get the fitment just right, test fitting, then more grinding and repeat. Really just taking my time and trying not to take too much metal off the vehicle. Now that it fits, I'm ready to weld. Attach the new frame to the template bracket using these holes and reuse the bolts from the metal template used in the beginning. This is how it all looks back on the car from my last test fit. Make sure to clean the metal before welding and weld that sucker in place. Thanks for watching.